Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How is the fight to get the job? We have got a new internship for engineering students. So without wasting your time, let's move to the internships. So first internship is for software developer provided by All India Internship Program. Here is about the AIIP All India Internship Program. You can read this. This is what AIIP offers free for students. You can read this and here are the information. This internship is for 3 month duration and stipend 10,000 to 20,000. Work from home. Internship type is full time. Working days is 5 days. And here are the perks: job offer letter, certification of completion, and you got letter of recommendations, learning allowance, office library, flexible hour, hybrid working, and also you got counseling support. And here is who can apply: student from any field of domain passionate about software development. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested for this internship, just go and apply. Next we have for front-end developer provided by same All India Internship Program. Who can apply: student of any field of domain or passionate about front-end development, proficiency in HTML, CSS, JavaScript framework like React, Angular, and you have to build user-friendly interface. Here are the three options of duration: 1, 3 and 6 months. For location you got three options: on-site, hybrid or remote. You can choose anyone. And stipend is 5,000 to 20,000 per month. You got the job offer letter, certification of completion, letter of recommendation, flexible hours. If you are interested in that, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have for students who are interested in AWS. Students from any field of domain passionate about cloud computing and AWS service are welcome to apply for this internship. And this is for fresher, no prior experience required. 10,000 to 25,000 per month. 1 month duration internship key, and internship type in office. You got the option of on-site, hybrid or remote. If you are interested in this internship, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box of all the internships. Did you subscribe the Coding Wallah? If not, just like the video, smash the subscribe. Bye bye. Best of luck for your internship.